Have you ever stopped to wonder how a machine can learn and think much like a human can? It's a question that tickles the edges of our curiosity. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is everywhere, yet remains a mystery to many. It helps us navigate traffic, recommends our next binge watch, and even predicts the weather. But how does it do all that? How does it learn? How does it think? To truly grasp this concept, we must first dissect artificial intelligence into its basic components. Artificial intelligence, at its core, comprises three fundamental elements: algorithms, computational power, and data. Algorithms, the first of these elements, are essentially sets of instructions. Think of it as a recipe. If you want to bake a cake, you follow a recipe step by step. In the same way, an algorithm tells the AI what to do step by step to solve a problem or complete a task. Now let's move on to computational power. If algorithms are the recipes, then computational power is the kitchen where you bake your cake. It's the brain of the AI system that processes all the instructions from the algorithm. It's the horsepower that drives the AI engine, allowing it to crunch numbers, recognize patterns, and make decisions. The final element, data, can be likened to the ingredients for your cake. Without ingredients, you can't bake a cake, and without data, AI can't learn or function. The data provides the AI with the knowledge it needs to carry out its tasks. The more data an AI has, the better it becomes at its tasks, just like how a chef becomes better with more ingredients and recipes. These three elements come together to create a system that can learn and think. But you may be wondering, how exactly does this process work? The magic of artificial intelligence lies in its ability to learn from data and make decisions. This is where we delve into the heart of the AI process. When we talk about AI learning from data, what we're really discussing is a process known as machine learning. This is a subset of AI that involves the development of algorithms, which are essentially sets of instructions that tell a computer what to do. But in the case of machine learning, these algorithms are designed to learn from and make decisions based on data. So how does this work? Well, it's all about patterns. Let's take the example of a recommendation algorithm on a streaming platform. You've just finished binge-watching a series about medieval knights and royal intrigue. Now the platform suggests another show set in a similar era with a similar theme. That's no coincidence. The recommendation algorithm has been learning from your viewing habits. It has taken the data about what you watch, how long you watch it, and even what you skip, and used it to identify patterns. These patterns then inform the algorithm's decisions about what other shows you might enjoy. But the algorithm doesn't do this on its own. It requires considerable computational power to process all this data and identify the patterns within it. This is where the hardware comes in, with powerful processors and vast amounts of memory enabling the algorithm to work its magic. Also, it's important to note that machine learning isn't a one-time process. The algorithm continues to learn and evolve as it's fed more and more data. Every time you watch something new, it takes that information and refines its understanding of your viewing habits. Over time, it gets better and better at predicting what you'll enjoy. The beauty of this process is that it can be applied to all sorts of scenarios, not just streaming platforms. From predicting weather patterns to diagnosing diseases, the potential applications of AI are vast and varied. And there you have it, the inner workings of an AI system, seemingly complex, yet fundamentally simple. So, we've uncovered the secret behind the AI magic, but what does this mean for us? Well, take a moment and consider the possibilities. The AI technology we've discussed is already at work in our everyday lives. When Netflix suggests a show you might like, that's an AI algorithm at play. If you've ever marveled at a self-driving car, you've witnessed artificial intelligence in action, and we're only scratching the surface. The potential for future advancements in this field is enormous. Imagine a world where AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases or helps rescue teams during natural disasters. It's not just science fiction, it's a future that's within our grasp. But it's not all about grand, world-changing applications. AI also has the potential to make our daily lives easier, from managing our schedules to even helping us cook a perfect meal. As we continue to explore the vast potential of AI, one thing is clear. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's a revolution shaping our world.